We are going to bake a cake.
I gotta whisk this bit of milk. I need half cup of milk, it's telling me. I think I gotta slowly whisk it though. Pour into the center of the cake mix and stir. What are you watching?
This is literally like late night.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is why I love baking cakes, but you know what? Today I was like,
Too much
I'm gonna
mess.
let my husband do this.
Look at this
He's
already.
obviously doing boxed cake, which is okay.
Oh, man.
I usually just do it from scratch.
Is it? Oh, I broke it!
Oh my god. Honey, you're supposed to use the electric one.
Where is it?
It's right in the cupboard.
Did you get it for me?
You're using the wrong thing.
Wait.
The cupboard under the microwave. Oh my goodness. You can call this baking with Mr. Mura.
We can break this thing.
That's alright.
Oh man.
I use that to just whisk egg, not cake.
Oh look, it's getting stuck now.
No, honey, you need to add milk. Your proportion's not right.
I did add, I need this.
What's wrong with your cable? Why is this going around
I don't
here?
know. I don't know what's going on
Because
here.
you're right-handed. You need to you need milk.
I put it's.
Your cake.
Hey, what's going on here?
Did you clip it in properly?
Is it smooth enough to put it?
You need to secure that thing before you turn it on. You didn't put the metal piece right. No.
I did.
Hold the camera. Hold it. I'll do it for you. Like that.
Look at this. What is going on here?
See, you heard that click? See, it can't come out now. That's what you need to make sure every single time. And until you hear that click, don't put it through. Otherwise, the whole thing will fall because it's not connected. You don't have to like.
Maybe I put too much butter.
That's alright. See that click? Now you should be fine.
Okay, butter I think.
Did you put everything all at once? But
Yes.
your thing's too deep. Move it out.
Can that be good cake?
Yeah. So what ingredients have you put in this so far? Can you let me know?
Eggs, milk, and butter. That's it. And it just said do it till it's smooth.
It is smooth. Why is it so close?
So then I'm gonna put it in there then.
Yeah. Just you can do it. You can. There's nothing wrong with that. Just use the other utensil. Oh, I can't be mad at the mess.
I don't know if
This
it's
is
smooth enough, but.
pretty cute. That's alright. You can mix it with this.
Oh man, it's turned into mayhem.
Has turned into a mayhem, hasn't it?
This is
Oh, this is so funny. It's just crazy how like an egg fell, and then your shirt, and then this, and then the electric sword. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! I'm like, what's happening? What's happening in my kitchen?
Oh my god.
Our kitchen. But nevertheless, you got it done. I'm excited to taste what this cake tastes like. It's gone through a lot. You don't have to do that. Just shake this thing.
It's not, honey. It's
Like a circle.
thick.
Yeah.
This isn't working. This isn't working
No, it's
out.
alright. It'll come together. Let's do this. Yeah, that's good. It's more than enough.
Alright.
Alright, you're all good?
Wait, we have to make ganache. Do I need this?
You mean the whipped cream?
No chocolate ganache. Where's the box? Please take the chocolate chunks cream in the saucepan over low heat. Allow icing to stay for 5 minutes and pour into the completely cooled cake. Okay, so
the mix that Jeremy's using is, I'll show you, this fudgy chocolate cake ganache icing. It is a gluten-free version. Cleaning because, yeah, because we got like powder everywhere and everything. Obviously, I'm using these wipes, they're cold, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean. You turned on the coffee machine. You turned on the coffee machine. And you opened it.
because it turned on. And I didn't want it on.
That's so
Random.
funny.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, it's too funny. I just gotta say, I've never seen that before. Oh, that's too funny. The cake is ready. This is the outcome. Well, he's making the cream right now. We're tired right now, so yeah. I am really tired. I'm like ready to sleep, literally. I think we're both tired. We're just ready to go to bed, but we have to continue with this. It's been a long day,
Right.
right?
Oh, that's pretty good for vlogging.
Yeah, it is. It is very useful. There we go. Oh, it's got this tracking mode on. I don't know why
Not too
it's
much
tracking.
cream, but whatever.
Okay, there we go.
Although heat stir until chocolate melts. I think I need to put some more chocolate.
You're making it again?
Ganache icing.
Okay. So you have to.
It's supposed to look like this.
Your cake's supposed to look like that.
It doesn't look like that.
Not yet, but because you haven't put your cream yet.
The cream's in there already. Is it still cool? It's still.
Like it?
It's actually not that sweet.
That's good.
It's chocolate.
So you're gonna need a plate.
Cool.
Choose one of these.
Oh, it's quite up.
Thank goodness our bowl's like huge. Looks good. It's like a chocolate fountain, babe.
It is. You made a lot.
Yeah, it looks good. I love it.
Oh, it tastes so good though.
Oh wow.
It's chocolate.
See? You're a great baker. You're a great chef, though, I'll tell you that.
With the box.
Yeah, with the box, you're a great baker. That looks so tasty. Cut me a little slice as well. Yeah, it's perfect.
That's too much chocolate, huh?
I know, that is a lot of chocolate. Like, I don't even know. Guys, look how much chocolate it is.
We oozed it up.
You just cut a whole 2 slices.
Is it gonna go cold and then go hard?
I hope so. That'd be nice.